it will be easier for a camel to enter into the eye of a needle than for an Igbo man to rule Nigeria. If you doubt this statement, just watch this video. After watching this video, we will analyze on the topic, on the content of that video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates from me.
I'm not an Igbo man, but how can you tell me, say, Igbo, the state, they don't have support, they don't have airport, they don't have anything. Nothing good is coming out of them, no revenue, nothing. The people, they are still creating something out of something, but you siphon them. As we are talking, go and look the level of military that is there. The people, they are not protecting, they are sitting at home under the order of Samonekpa. They are sitting at home while others are protecting. They say they are not part of Nigeria because why? They were not recognized as Nigerians. They recognize them as migrants to the Nigeria.
Really?
Yeah. That is how they see them. The politicians should stop deceiving the people. That is how they recognize them. I told you last conversation that Peter Obi, no Igbo man will rule Nigeria. If you think I'm lying, go and mark it till the generation end. Igbo man will never rule Nigeria. It will never. It will never.
So what to give you that mentality now?
Yeah, because they see them as third class. 2027, Peter Obi come out, he will not still win. It's a northerner. Now rotation between the Yoruba and the North. Now northerner they come out. Mark my words. Never give them any space. Because if you give them space, they are afraid these people might take over everywhere. What is there so special in the Lagos? Is it not the celebrity and the houses and the international airport and the seaport? That is all about Lagos. Is there anything there? Go look Lagos. Now there are people in the suffer plenty pass. Beggars now there plenty pass. Right from international airports. Go there and see with your eyes. Give them the British space. Let them, these people, they are the China of Africa. They are the Japan of Africa. Give them space. Is there anything Nigeria is importing that Igbo man cannot do? Is there anything in Nigeria is importing today that Igbo man cannot do? My brother, let's be reality. I'm not an Igbo man, but I'm telling you, the hatred and the way they are doing these people is too much. It's too much. Anything Igbo man talk or Lagos, at last say this will not be no man's land. Or my Igbo, go back to your Igbo lands. They'll be referring to them.
Or he's a Nigerian.
Did they refer them as a Nigerian? Answer and real Igbo man. Are you Nigerian? I go tell you no. I'm a Biafran. Forget say all the one that Peter Obi, all of them they do, all of them are Biafran. He did their blood. Forget say they talk, we are Igbo, we are the Southeast. He did their blood, The government is aware. Say this thing are blood today, this Biafra matter and our blood today. They know the government is aware. The rest has been free. But Nnamdi Kanu is there. It's an Igbo man. My brother, I'll not be waiting one count here. Go anywhere when you not see Igbo person for Nigeria. More than 50, 20, waiting happen. You don't ever see Hausa man inside someone's.
Have you finished watching the video? Hope you learned something from it. Now listen. These things I will list now are one of the major reasons why Igbo man will not rule Nigeria or will not be allowed to rule Nigeria. Number one reason why Igbo man will not be allowed to enter into that Aso Rock. One is fear of retaliation. You know, during the Biafran War, many Igbo people many crimes were committed against the Igbo people. And most of these crimes, nobody has paid for it. There was no restriction from these crimes perpetrated against the Igbo people. So the tribes that committed these crimes are very much afraid of the Igbo people, that should an Igbo man enter into that seat, he might even try to revenge or retaliate. This was the major reason why they created Boko Haram, because they thought that Goodluck Jonathan was an Igbo man. They thought that Goodluck Jonathan is Igbo. That was the main reason why they created that Boko Haram, in order to make his government ungovernable. The fear of retaliation is one of the reasons why an Igbo man will not enter that seat. Number two, fear of domination. Igbo people are highly talented people. Most of the food we are eating in Nigeria today is because of the Igbo people. Most of the things that we are using in Nigeria today is because of the Igbo people. They are the ones importing the goods. They are the ones doing the retail. Everything, including the food. They are the Igbo people. Nigeria wouldn't be regarded as a country. Is it in commerce? Is it in production? Is it in education? Is it in what and what? If Igbo man enter that seat, most of the marginalization, quota system, this and that, may be reviewed and stopped. Yes, Igbo man will get 100 in jump. He will not be admitted into a school. But a Fulani man or a Hausa man will get 30 and you'll be admitted. This is a serious injustice. So if Igbo man go there, enter that seat, most of these things will stop. Fear of domination. Is it in the army? If Igbo people are there, there will be very much change. There will be very much change in how things are being done or how things is being done currently there. This is one of the reasons why Igbo man will not be allowed there. Fear of domination. They will dominate everywhere in Nigeria because they are the best. They are the best in everything. If Nigerian census is well counted and what is being counted is well announced, Igbo people is the largest ethnic group in Nigeria. Igbo people, Igbo, are the largest ethnic group, are the most populated ethnic group in Nigeria. But due to the fact that Igbo man is not in power, there is no way you will know this. So number two of this thing that I'm saying you now is fear of disclosing some hidden secrets. Fear of disclosing some hidden secrets. Most of these secrets, most of the things that are being hidden in Nigeria, some things that are hidden for the people, if Igbo man go there, they will be revealed. How things are being shared. Who gets what he gets or who gets what. If Igbo man doesn't like something that is hidden, something that it should be made public. Igbo people are highly sincere people. There was a lot of things that was done against the Igbo people that will be revealed if Igbo man enter that seat. Number 4, Western interest. Western interest. A lot of part was made by with the white man, by all these past governments. And this part, most of this part was against the Igbo people. So if Igbo man enter that seat, some of these things will be revealed. So Westerners are one of the reasons why mostly the British interest. The oil in Nigeria, all the oil wells in Nigeria are located in Igbo land. Forget about all these things, digging pipe from here to here, so as to make those states oil producing states. The cake, all the things that Nigeria is known for, is located in Igbo land. Igbo man has no seaport, but we are the main traders in Nigeria. We are the main people that are doing business in Nigeria. But we have no seaport. If Igbo man enter that there will be a lot of seaport in the east and in the south, so-called south, and Lagos will become dry. So these people that see themselves as rival of Igbo people will not be happy. They will not allow you to become president, because they know that if you go there, if you become president, all those custom duties, high custom duties will reduce. Most of the companies that are being overtaxed, most of these old companies Igbo people opened, that we are being overtaxed, and most of them has closed. Most of these things will stop. Igbo land, Igbo people will begin to excel. $20 policy that was executed against the Igbo people, £20 policy during the war. Most of these things will be reviewed. They are afraid that if Igbo man enter there, most of the crime perpetrated against the Igbo people will be revealed. And most of the people that committed the crime will pay for it. That was their fear. That is their fear. That is the reason why they will not allow Igbo man to enter there. The cake, oil producing states are Igbo people. All the states that are producing the major oil Nigeria is boasting of today is located in Igbo land. Forget about those all this rubbish. No, they are located in Igbo land. So if Igbo want to enter there, they are afraid that Igbo man might even stop sharing all these things with this state that has nothing to offer. So these are hints. One of the major reasons why Igbo it will be easier for a needle to enter into the eye, a camel to enter into the eye of a needle than for Igbo man to enter there.